Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on the application of DeepSeek. We click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this window you will search about DeepSeek and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click here on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.